Epstein with your morning futures flash update, and this is for Tuesday, and we're at the 22nd of March 2022, about 8:11 a.m. Central Time. Well, it's an interesting day again. Let me explain. Stock market up, sharp decline, bonds, notes. So interest rates keep climbing. We keep seeing the stock market able to hold in that. One of the two is going to give here. Higher interest rates generally aren't the benefactor giving credence to the rise in the stock market. So I think something's a little out of whack. In the gold market, unable to break through to the upside yet. Silver getting hit as it's coming through some key support levels to the downside, and that's been the picture here. The market looks for a little bit at what interest rates are doing. The dollar sort of holds on to strength, and these markets pull back. This has been this type of market, and I've been saying it's a very difficult market to trade at this point in time. Things change, and they change quickly. You got to wait them out, and you don't want to waste your money in markets that you don't have a handle on. Wheat up nearly 40 cents today. Soybeans up. Corn very, very stable at this hour. And if you'll notice, cotton starting to run into a buzzsaw here against the 130 level. Now in weekly data, the retail sales from Redbook came out at 12.7% increase first 3 weeks and 12.4. Do you remember about a month, actually 3 months ago, we were running 14 to 16% increases week over week. I mentioned then that things started getting better in March of 2021 and carried right through the year. So I am looking for these numbers to very gradually contract. And the reason is they're going to be looking at better overall numbers. At 9 this morning, we're going to get the Richmond Fed Business Index, and we have 3 Fed speakers today: John Williams of New York, Mary Daly of San Francisco, Loretta Meister of the Cleveland Fed. We also had this morning James Bullard, and he was on Bloomberg, and of course he's quite a hawk. He is anticipating a 50 basis point hike at the next 2 Fed meetings so that the Fed starts getting ahead of the curve on what it sees. Now, I do want to remind you, we've got the live webinar coming up this coming Thursday. I've sent out invites yesterday. I'll send them again, but if you didn't get one, here's how you're able to register. Take your cursor right now, move it up here. When you do so, you're going to see a white icon show up. Click on it. Fill out the registration form. You will receive your user ID and password and email from us. If you have questions on certain markets, now is the time to just click. When you register, you'll see my name there for the email. Just click that. Write what you want me to cover, and I'll cover it for you. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. You have a good trading day.